Hi everyone, this is Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter, and I wanted to share with you a few little DIYs I've done with Dollar Tree items. So the first one here is this cute little sign. So it's just one of those canvas boards, and I painted it kind of a light gray and then a dark gray around the trim. And then I decoupaged these pumpkins on here. And then this is one of those metal signs from Dollar Tree. And I painted it and also Mod Podged over it. And then I put a little bit of this antique paste, if you can see that. And it's a gold antique paste, and just to give it a little flair. So this is my first Dollar Tree item. And the paper that I used, I got this from Michael's, and I got, it's called the Pumpkin Vines, and I just love the blues and the grays that were in here. And so I used this sheet, and it has that gold foil on there. I just love it. And so that is my first item. The paint that I used was this Waverly Silver Lining paint and the Waverly Elephant paint. And then to stick the Metal Harvest to that, I used Fabri-Tac and then Mod Podge. And then here is another shot of the antique paste that I used. And it has an orange scent to it, which I just love. You can't really smell it once it's on there and dried, but while you're putting it on, it has a nice smell. All right, my next Dollar Tree DIY is I took this little box. It had a faux succulent in the middle of it, and I took that out, and then I sanded it down, and I painted the sides this blue color, and then I painted this in the inside this Waverly truffle color, and just kind of wiped it on like a stain and then wiped it back off. And then for the inside, I used this paper pad from Michael's Fall Tapestry, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And I used this particular page from there, and I just love the leaves. I love the brown and the blue with the beige background and a little bit of the teal in there. Just such pretty colors. Right up my alley. And then I Mod Podged that inside. And so what I'm thinking about doing is cutting out some faux leather pumpkins or acorns. So tell me, which would you prefer? And I just got the new Cricut foil tools, and I thought it might be cool to do some foil on top of the pumpkins or the acorns. So let me know what you all think. Okay, so my third DIY item was this triangle from the Dollar Tree, and it had this lion on top, so I popped it off, and then I took the inside backing of this, and I decoupaged or Mod Podged this spider paper on here, and I painted the frame with the Waverly Silver Lining paint again, and then put that back in there. And so here I'm thinking about putting Creeping It Real on here, using my Cricut to print out those vinyl letters. So let me know what you all think, if you think that would be cute. And this is the paper pad that I used for the spider paper. And again, this was from Michael's, and I got all of these. It was when they had buy one, get two free. So it was really great. And actually, I got this one from Tuesday morning. I take that back. And this was the paper that I used. So I got this paper pack for $6.99. The other two I showed you before, the two fall ones, I got from Michael's for buy one, get two free. But this paper pack is adorable as well. If you'd like to see a flip through of these paper packs, leave a comment down below. Alright, my last DIY from Dollar Tree is, again, I took another triangle shape, and yes, I was into triangles, as you can see, and I painted it this Waverly the Moss. I really love this Waverly Moss color. You'll see that. And painted out the frame, sanded it, painted it, and then I Mod Podged this paper in here. And then on my Cricut, I cut out, this is of the Cricut Maker, and this is the real leather. And so cut out this pumpkin and then adhered it onto the paper. So I absolutely love how this came out. I feel all of these are very high end, and I really love them. Now the paper pad I used for this paper in the background is, again, this is one from Tuesday Mornings, and it is the Jen Hadfield Simple Life, and again it was $6.99, and I used this paper right here. I'll show you that. So this was the paper that I used, and I just love these greens. Just so yummy. Love, love, love them. All right, so these are my 4 Dollar Tree DIYs. I really, really hope you enjoyed watching me go through how I made them and what I used. If you would like more videos of these, please put a comment below. If you liked this video, please click like. I would love it for you to subscribe my channel. I would hope to do lots more videos like this. So please comment what you'd like to see. Let me know what you think I should put, if I should put acorns or pumpkins in here with the faux leather. Let me know what you think I should put on this Halloween item here. And thank you so, so much for watching. And this is Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter. Bye for now.